What's up, friends? Happy Movember. Guys, let's talk about something that is so important. I get this question every single darn day. So today what we're going to talk about is what are the top 3 tools that every day trader needs. I know if you're like a brand new trader or just somebody that's been doing it for a while, you are just hit with just ad after ad, tools after tools, classes after classes. It's never ending, right? You cannot turn on your YouTube without seeing, hello guys, I'm the #1 options trader in the world, right? And some like jerk off like in a private jet or something like that. And you're just looking for information. Remember this, as a trader, you are the CEO of your own small business. You're trying to take that business bigger. So you gotta always watch your expenses. So many people I've met, they will buy class after class after class. I'm gonna buy this guy's class and this guy's class. Oh, I'm gonna be in this guy's chat room and this guy's chat room and this guy's chat room and this guy's alert service. And then you got tools. Like, oh, I'm gonna get trade ideas in TC2000 and FinViz and StockFetcher. And before you know, you got like 4 chat rooms, 5 subscriptions to tools, and gosh knows how many classes. We as humans in today's day and age, we are just information whores. We always think if we buy more stuff and we get more things that we'll be better traders. And that's not the case. When I was a new trader, Paul, my mentor, told me something that was so important because I was the same way. I had read like 1,000 trading books and I had every single tool, gimmick, seminar possible, and Paul took me under his wing and he just looked at all this stuff and he's like, so let me get this straight. And I'm like, all right, well, he's gonna give me this like huge insight, right? So let me get this straight. You spend $10,000 a year on tools, classes, this and that, and you make negative thousands of dollars trading. And I'm like, well, yeah. And he goes, you're maybe doing this backwards. 10% of your income should be spent on tools, subscriptions, newsletters, things that help you. But when you're brand new, utilize the cheapest stuff you can, even free stuff, because there is no secret sauce in trading that will make you a better trader. There's no magic scan. There's no magic journaling tool. There's not that like end all. Like if you get this, you will be good. Trading is about having a great system, having a methodology, being able to manage your risk, and then having a few tools complement and supplement what you do. But the tools don't make the trader, right? They are there to help you. It's just like indicators. When you're trading, indicators don't help you make trades, do they? There's no magic indicator out there. Indicators are for what? They're there to confirm price action. Your tools are the same way. So these are the top 3 tools that I use that are cheap, effective, and I don't think you need very many else. So first thing you all need, a good charting platform. A charting platform is really like, it's like your command center for what you're gonna do. Because a good charting platform, you're going to be able to look at charts, of course, but you're gonna be able to scan, you're gonna be able to manage your watch list, you might be able to read news on it, you can set alerts. I use TC2000 as my command center. I do everything from this thing. I run all my scans. I manage my lists. I prepare for the trading day. I can read news on it. And then most importantly, I can build scans to fit the patterns that I'm actually going to trade. On this platform, everything's customizable and modular. Anything you think you can do, you can build on it, and it's good. And frankly, like you can get it for like 30 bucks a month and it's like $15 for real-time data. Why they don't incorporate that into the thing, I don't know. But if you're a swing trader, you probably don't need the real-time data. If you're a day trader, obviously you do. So with real-time data, it's gonna be like $45. Without real-time data, $30. Either way, it's a steal, and you can use it for everything. Second tool that I think is totally necessary that everybody's got to take advantage of, a journaling tool. Now I know a lot of old school guys, right? They like to get their spreadsheets out and they're like, okay, I got these Excel sheets, I got these Google documents, and I used to do the same thing. In our 60-day boot camp, I would give all my students a spreadsheet and a way to track their trades. So the spreadsheet had certain columns: entry price, exit price, stop loss, reasons for taking the trade, notes on the trade, so on and so forth, like data things. So to journal like 5 trades would take somebody like 30 minutes. You gotta fill in everything in, you get a snapshot your trade. And what I found out was that spreadsheets, as great as they are, and a lot of great traders have been built on the data and the spreadsheets. But frankly, 99% of us aren't those people, right? Journaling system is like a diet. You ever see these like goofballs? They're on like the keto diet, right? What do you notice about diets? You can be on a diet for like 2-3 weeks and then it's all good. You lose 5 pounds, you're feeling pretty good. You're like, man, I'm gonna be on this diet forever. Next thing you know, your buddy comes over, you go on a huge bender, you eat a bunch of pizza, you start slaughtering beers, and now all of a sudden your keto diet goes to hell in a handbasket and you're never the same. You end up eating pizza for months on straight and everything's gone. Your journaling is the same way. A diet works for a certain amount of time and then you just fall off the wagon. Journaling in Excel is the exact same way. Man, when you're doing it, you can do it for a couple weeks, you can be like, man, I'm so good. I got this journal, I got all these data. Man, I'm gonna make a killing. Next thing you know, your buddy comes over, you start slaughtering some beers, you go on a 4-day bender, you end up in Tijuana doing God knows what else. You've got like a pattern day trade rule tattoo on your buttocks, and you'll never do the spreadsheet again. The problem with the spreadsheets is that it's boring. It requires tedious work, and frankly, it takes tedious work to be a good trader. But with so much technology out there, we don't need to do this. A good journal is like a good diet. It only lasts for so long. I use TraderView, and there's tons of other online stock journals like Edgewonk. I find TraderView just the easiest to use. So rather than me spending time doing spreadsheets that I know I'm only gonna be able to do for a couple weeks, I just auto upload all my trades to a journal. They spit them out on a beautiful chart. I get the stats I need: win percentage, reward to risk, success of certain patterns. I get all the data I need and it's all there, and it takes me like 30 seconds to actually upload them versus 30 minutes to sit there with my paper, pencil, abacus, and Excel sheet and get them going. Very important. Third, but still very important, your broker and brokerage platform. Your broker and your brokerage platform can give you advantages or it can be a hindrance. Right now with all this like free trading, free commission stuff, everybody's just like probably in heaven, right? Like I can trade all I want. I'm not sure any of that matters. Remember that when you have free commissions and free trading, that your customer service, your executions, and exactly everything that happens inside a trade, they're gonna be slowed down. You know, all of a sudden your market order that you hit, instead of it executing in like a millisecond, takes 2 seconds. Well, as a day trader, that's a big deal. The second part of it is the platform, right? Is the platform slower? Is it buggier? So having a great broker and a platform that's fast, customizable is really, really important, okay? There's so many. There's Thinkorswim, Interactive Brokers, you know, so on and so forth. And right now, everybody offers free commissions. I'm still in the pay the commissions game because I'm a big believer. If you pay somebody, you're gonna get better service. But frankly, I've been testing it between the free commissions and the non-free commissions. You'll see the executions are markedly different. I believe to be a successful day trader, you need direct market access platform. Direct market access platform means you're routing right into the exchanges. Your fills are going to be very fast, but you will have to pay commission. Now, the good thing is with everybody offering free commissions, the brokers that still charge commissions, they're coming down in their prices a lot. I think that this is going to be important. I use Dash Trader as my central platform. I go through Speed Trader and Sprint Trader. You guys probably see us talk about it in the chat room. I think that that's still one of the best ways to go. And there's other brokers out there, but those are my two. And I think it's important because Dash Trader is very fast. It's easy on the computer, doesn't take up any resources. You can set up hotkeys, customize it to however you want. But then most importantly, I get direct market access. Yes, I'm still paying like $2 a trade or whatever it might end up to, but instant executions. Why is this important? If you're trading 50 shares of a stock at a time, 25 shares, your execution doesn't matter. But what if you're trading 2,000 shares of a stock and you get a 2-cent better execution on the trade? How much does that add up to? 40 bones, $40. Now imagine you do that 10 times a day. $40, $40, $40, $40 equals $400. What would you have paid on those trades if you just got, if you had to pay commission? Well, yeah, 10 trades, $3 a trade. Yeah, you're gonna pay some money on the commission, maybe even if it's $100, but you still save. I think that's going to be really important, and people are going to start to see that as the months go on, that free trades, there's a dirty, hairy Indian butt on the back end of that. It's free trades, but your execution is going to stink, your platform may be slow. So guys, those are the three things that I think are really important. You don't need many tools. Charting, journaling, broker, 3 important things. Everything else, guys, is just, it's all just fluff. You don't need a lot of this stuff. You don't need 15 chat rooms and God knows what other classes and stuff that you're gonna buy and then all these other tools. Get some simple stuff, keep your expenses low, and you guys are gonna be just fine. Guys, if you like this video, smash that like button. And make sure to leave me comments on any kind of video you want to see in the future. I'm making them all the time. I love hearing from you guys. And of course, you guys can feel free to reach out to me anytime at kunal@bullson.ws. I got thousands of students, so whether you're a student in mine, I wouldn't even know. Email me. I answer every question no matter what. Take care.